So I've had a couple of days rest. I have done little bits and bobs, but since the last video you can clearly see I've made quite a bit of progress. Everything is leveled up. I did have to use the quick jack system to make everything level, but that was by design. And we have here a level frame ready for insulation and the OSB. Today's job is going to be putting the weed membrane down. I'll be pegging it down. I'll probably be laying some bricks on top as well, just to keep it down. We've got some Apollo weed control membrane. And we've got some film and fabric pegs. That should be enough just to get around the edges. And then, like I said, I've got some bricks in the shed, behind the shed. Trusty old rubber mallet. Ah, knife. There you go, nice and easy. This doesn't have to be perfect as long as it all overlaps. Cuts easily enough. I don't want to get it dirty. It's going to get dirty. Stop being an idiot. Do you know what? I'm going to go and get some bricks. I think some bricks will help. Now I don't know how many bricks I've got. I've got a lot. Need more bricks. Ah. There you go, so that's one roll has done 3/4. That's pretty cool. I've probably got well over 100 bricks behind that shed. Don't know what they're from. Ah, I do know what they're from. They're from when the previous owners of this house knocked through a wall and put French windows. I love it when a plan comes together. Brick at the back. Peg in the middle. Brick at the back. And peg down here. Ah! Something spiky. There used to be a really spiky bush up here. Oh, these are heavy. Getting a bit blowy over here. Probably get a couple more. that'll do for now. And then, to be honest, that's all I'm going to do today. And so that's today's work done. If you want to see how I get on with the rest of it, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.